Welcome to CataList. In this tutorial video, we're going to walk you through creating and editing a seasonal catalog. A seasonal catalog is a list of titles that you're promoting for a specific season. If you want your titles to show up in CataList, you need to add them to a seasonal catalog. First, log into CataList at bnccatalyst.ca. Make sure you're logging in as a publisher and that you're listed as an account manager or catalog editor. After you've logged in, go to My Page. This is where you can view and manage your company's catalogs. To create a seasonal catalog, open the Catalog Creation options and click New Catalog. Give your catalog a descriptive name. We recommend that you include your company name, the season or month for this catalog, and the year. Then choose an imprint if needed and the time frame for the catalog. This will help you keep your publisher landing page organized chronologically. Add the ISBNs that you want to include. Each ISBN should be on its own line or separated by a comma. If you have a custom cover image for your catalog, you can upload it now, or you can upload it later. You can also upload front matter and end pages at any time. Tag your catalog with keywords to easily find it later when you filter your catalog list. Click Next. If there are any invalid ISBNs, you will be notified at this point. You can also flag any titles as drop-ins, which are late additions to the season. If you want to learn more about drop-in titles, follow the link in the video description. Once you've made your changes, click Next and your catalog will be created as a draft. When your catalog is in draft status, you and your colleagues can review the content internally without it being public. You can click on the catalog name to see your titles, or click the edit icon to make changes to your catalog. Take a look at your catalog to see if any titles are missing cover images or crucial bibliographic details. You can delete any of the titles from the catalog using the Delete button. If you wish to edit the catalog, click Edit from the toolbar. The Edit Info tab allows you to add more ISBNs to your catalog or update any of the catalog's details, such as the name or custom cover image. In the Organize tab, you can flag any title as a drop-in, mark titles as featured, change the order of the titles by clicking and dragging a title, or you can sort the entire catalog by any of the options provided. You can also delete any of the titles from the catalog using the button on the right-hand side. Click Save to save your changes. Titles that you feature in the catalog will show more information on the thumbnail view, and a star is added next to the title in the scrolling view or grid view. To publish your catalog, go to the Publish tab. Each new title that you include will need to use one listing space. If you haven't purchased ISBN listing spaces for your account yet, or if your account doesn't have enough listing spaces to publish the catalog, you'll be prompted to add more at this point. If you have enough listing spaces, click Publish Now and confirm that you wish to publish this catalog. And there you have it. Your catalog is published and anyone visiting CataList can now view it. Those who have CataList accounts can also now add your titles to their own lists and orders. You can edit a seasonal catalog even after it's been published. Click the Edit icon to return to the catalog's editing tools and make your changes. When you're ready, click Save to save your changes. The updates that you had made are now visible wherever they appear on CataList. Want to expand your CataList knowledge? Find links to related tutorial videos in the description below.